Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by opening Yazi and granting storage permission so the app can read your files. This is critical. Once done, choose the default storage view, internal, SD card, or a linked cloud account, so navigation begins in the right place. Make sure thumbnails and hidden files are enabled in settings. This helps you identify images and configuration files immediately. Now tap the main directory to load the file list and get ready to perform file operations efficiently without hunting through unexpected folders. Now focus on navigation and core file management. You can tap breadcrumbs to move up or long press an item to select one or many. Selection reveals actions like copy, move, rename, and delete. When moving files, pick the target folder first and then confirm to avoid accidental overwrites. If available, use drag and drop for faster placement. Also, use the search box and filters to find file types and sort by name, date, or size so you can act on the right files without scrolling endlessly. Finish by using advanced actions. Compress or extract archives, edit text files inline, and change file permissions when needed to fix access problems. Once done, connect cloud services or enable FTP/SMB to transfer files remotely and sync folders for backup. If a file won't move, first check app and system permissions, then verify available storage space and whether the file is locked by another app. If that fails, restart Yazi and retry. These steps wrap up operations and resolve the most common issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.